And we are here for our next math lesson. We are going to be doing lesson 5.11, so from Unit 5, Lesson 11. And we are going to start by reading our goal at I Can Count. So everyone read it with me. I can count money and make change up to $1. So the word change is our big vocabulary word in this goal. And change means how much money you get back after you buy something. So if I go to the store, let's say I have a dollar bill, and let's say I'm just going to buy like some candy or gum or an apple. All those things are going to be under $1. So I give the cashier $1, and let's say my apple costs 50 cents. If I give him $1, my apple only costs 50 cents. Well, then I get 50 cents back. That is my change. And so that's what we'll be doing today for this lesson. Before we get into it, just kind of reviewing some stuff about money. So right here, just looking at this picture, so that's a penny. So 3 different ways to write how much a penny is worth. It can be 1 cent with just that dollar sign. You can write it with 1 cent as a word, or you can write it like this. $0 and 1 cent. A nickel looks like this. You can write it in a nickel's worth 5 cents. You can write the 5 with the cent sign. You can write 5 cents, or you can write it $0 and 5 cents. A dime is 10. You can write it. The dime is worth 10 cents. You can write it like 10 with the cent symbol, 10 cents, or $0 and 10 cents. Or you can do a quarter. We have 25 cents with the cent sign, 25 cents, or $0 and 25 cents. Now there are a few coins, or a couple coins that aren't as common. There are 50-cent pieces. Those ones are worth 2 quarters put together. So 50 cents. You write it like this, 50 with the cent sign, 50 cents with the word, or $0 and 50 cents. You can also have coins that are worth $1 coins. These are called Sacagawea coins, but a 100 cents or $1. Kind of around here though, I just have a penny equals 1 cent, a nickel equals 5 cents, a dime equals 10 cents, and a quarter equals 25 cents. Before we get into the lesson, I just want to spend a little bit of time practicing counting money. You're not going to be turning anything in for this, but you'll just get to watch. I'll take some pauses, and we'll just kind of work with adding up some coins. So if I have 1 quarter, just think in your head, 1 quarter is worth 25 cents. Okay? If I have 2 quarters, 2 quarters is worth 50 cents. If I have 3 quarters, 75 cents. And we're just going to kind of, then we'll do one more. If I have 4 quarters, all 4 of them, that equals $1. Or I can say 100 cents. Now we're going to go through here. I'm just going to practice this. 25. So if I have just 1, it's 25. If I have 2 of them, it's 25, 50. If I have 3 of them, 25, 50, 75. Or if you have 4 of them, if you have all 4 of them, 25, 50, 75, $1. I'm going to do it one more time. You can say that with me, everybody. Ready? 25, 50, 75, $1. Okay? Now, let's say I have a dime. 1 dime equals 10 cents. Let's say I have 2 dimes. Just counting it up. Count with me 10, 20. So 20 cents. Now let's say I have a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Let's say I have 2 nickels. One is 5, so it can count by 5s. So it would be 5, 10. 10 cents. Let's say I have a dime and a nickel. For dimes, they count by 10, nickels, they count by 5. 15 cents. Okay, I'm going to go to the next one. Let's say I have 2 dimes and 1 nickel. Remember, dimes are 10s, nickels are 5. Let's do it together. 10, 20, I can even just write it underneath it. 10, 20, and 5 more, 25. So 25 cents. And I'm going to do this one. Dime, nickel, nickel, nickel. Remember, dimes are worth 10, nickels are worth 5. So 10, 15, 20, 25. So 25 cents again. Now remember that a penny, I'm just going to put it right here, 1 penny equals 1 cent. So I'm going to throw one more on here. Dime, dime, nickel, 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 penny, penny. Okay, so a dime equals 10. I have 2 of them. 10, 20. Nickel equals 5. 25. I'm counting by 5s. 30. Counting by 5 still. 35. Then pennies are just by 1. So then 36, 37. 37 cents. Ooh. Okay, now I'm going to throw in that quarter. Remember, quarter equals 25. So quarter, 25, and nickels are 5. 30, counted by 5s. 35, so 35 cents. Okay, I'm going to do quarter, dime, dime, nickel. Okay, thinking, okay, quarters 25, dimes are 10, so I count by 10s. Oh, it's just going to be my tens place that's going to go up. So 35, counted by 10 still. 45, now counting by just 5 though. These are by 10s, 25 and 35, 45, 50 cents. I'm going to do just a few more for some practice here. So quarter, dime, 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 nickel, nickel, penny. Okay, remembering that a quarter is 25, so 25 times are 10. 35, because it's just the tens place that's changing, so 25 to 35. Counted by 10 still. 45, 55, nickels are 5, so I'm going to count by 5s, 55, 60, another nickel, 65, penny, 66. So 66 cents. I'm going to do one more. Quarter, dime, 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 nickel, 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 penny, penny. No, change that's too close to the last one. One more dime, 1 nickel, penny, penny, penny. Okay. So quarters 25, and then dimes are 20 or 10. Oh, it's just my tens place that's going to change. So then 35, another 10, 45, another 10, 55, another 10, 65, counted by 5, 70, then just come by ones, 71, 72, 73, so 73 cents. I'm going to stop right there before we get into the next part of our lesson, but just some good practice. You can go back through and watch that part if you're thinking, oh, yeah, I should get some good money practice. But you can do that.